to bounce back about 2 to 3 times. Dealing with your ass, got me walking overtime. Got me some slack, I've been losing my mind. No, I'm not.
Hi everyone, it's another weekend, so you know what it means, another weekend vlog. I did the routine. I took Boba out, she took a dump, and then she peed on the other side of the building. I don't know why she has to go to the complete opposite side of the building, but that's okay. I needed to go pick up my packages anyways, so we're gonna open some packages, do some bummy for breakfast, and we're gonna go grocery shopping. This grocery store that we're going to is a little bit spooky. My boyfriend is going to have the bambi, and I'm going to have the pate jambon. I like this a lot because of the pate. It just tastes really good. I never thought that I would like liver so much. Like the other livers that I had was just I would like to put it into the oven so the bread crisps a little bit. I don't want to heat up the pate because apparently it smells bad. So I'm gonna have to like scrape everything out and put it in.
Why did she skip over like that? Did you see that too?
Because she wants to hug you.
Hey, Gabito.
Boba looks so annoying.
Are you annoyed?
You want matcha?
Look, she's wagging your tail.
We're gonna make a chocolate lavender coconut matcha. I really want to see how this one turns out.
I got 4 notifications.
Lavender chocolate matcha. They need to make a bowl, like a matcha bowl with a spout.
Just pour it quick.
No, like if I do it in 1 cup, it usually is like nice.
I don't know, just try it.
We finished breakfast and I just did my makeup. Before we leave, we're gonna open the packages that I received today. First one is the CEO Vitamin C Brightening Serum. This one is from, ooh, I think this is a little, no, never mind. This is a Huda Beauty Very Brown Eyeliner. Excited to use this. I've been needing brown eyeliner too. Instead of like this dramatic makeup look, I want to do something more natural, which means I need to use brown makeup. Oh, these are Boba's new shoes. These are Boba's new shoes. She has literally the same color shoes, is the same size, but they're really dirty because she ran through the mud with them, so this came at a perfect time. Let's clean this up and let's head to, where are we going first? We're gonna go to Alfa Romeo car dealership, then a sneaker store, and then Jungle Gyms. Bye-bye. Come here, up. Oh, bye. We're currently at a car dealership. It's called Alfa Romeo. We've been to like 15-20 different car dealerships in the past like few weeks. I think I like this one more as a practical car. It's super comfortable, it's spacious. No one can sit in the back because come on now, where are you gonna put your legs? I finally found my favorite lashes. Oh, these are my favorite. This shape is my favorite. I think that's something that really threw me off about this car is that the start engine is right here. Usually they're like back there or like on the side. I've never seen one here before. And then again, I've never been in an Alfa Romeo and that is interesting. I feel like if I were to drive this, I accidentally bump into this, I don't know what would happen. This is nice. Should I get out of the seat?
No, yeah, I might switch your seats just real quick.
Okay, I'll get out of the seat. Let's see if I can try and move the chair, because I still don't know how to do that. Oh, wait, it's moving. This is probably the most comfortable supercar that I've ever sat in. Everything in here is super cool. I don't think I'm the biggest fan of the ruby color, but then again, I wouldn't get a white McLaren anyways. It's nice.
McLaren GT is.
This car just opened up and it sounded like a Windows. It really said, "Aww." Oh, now it's singing. How do I turn that off? Let me turn that off. This is comfortable. This feels like a regular sedan to me. And obviously it is not a regular sedan. It is much more expensive than that. It feels like a regular sedan. It's comfortable. I like the colors. The car is purple. I don't know how I feel about that. They have these things here. I do not know much about cars, so everything that's different kind of like fascinates me a little bit. So like the start engine's here instead of over there, and then they have these things here, and I have honestly no idea what they do. My boyfriend does watch this video and laugh at me and be like, you should have known, but this is an M3 edition 50 jars BMW M1 of 500. Pretty cool. I mean, it's comfortable. Let's go see what they gotta say. shirts. I feel like they're cute. I don't really like this. Hey, I gave these to my sister. $1.95 used. What the frick? We're finally here at Jungle Gyms, and this is what the outside looks like. That's a monorail. I'm excited to go in and see why this place is so interesting. No freaking way. The amount of alcohol that they have in here is insane. And that ginormous cheese, I've never had cheese big in my life before.
762 pounds.
762 pounds of cheese. Look at this. Bro. Tell me that's not creepy. They have oysters and then they also have clams. Have you ever had these before? They have mussels too. And clams. And these type of clams. Oh my god. Why does he looking like that? Wow. Look at the size of this thing. Let's do a haul when we get home. That's a lot. We're back at the apartment. We went to get comfy tea. I'm almost done. Derek finished his before he even left the store, so that was really quick. We got some stuff from Jungle Gyms. I'm not gonna show you the entire haul because there's gonna be a separate video on that. But we did come home with this, an ostrich egg, and it's quite literally the size of my freaking face. That's gonna be in a separate video. I also came home to another package for the day. I got an email saying that I got 2 packages, but there was only one there. I'm guessing the other one is at the clubhouse. Let's go ahead and open this one and see what is inside this mysterious package. Okay, lots of paper to make sure the package wasn't broken. First impression of the shipment. They care. I got a little note. Oh, that's so cute. And I love the paper. It's very fancy. I've got this box. It's a small one, and then I also have the bigger one shipped to me. Let's take a peek inside and see what's in here. This is how it looks like. There's 2 matcha tins in here. This one right here, as well as, ooh, so 2 different types of matchas. Do y'all see this? They are so sweet. We have some matcha making utensils. I guess I could add this to my collection. I don't ever have enough matcha stuff. So we have another sipper and another wooden scoop, a strainer. Oh, the strainer is kind of cute. I like how it's like swirly over here. I think I know exactly what this is. So far, we know it's green. I got another matcha bowl. She's so cute. Look at that up close. The thing about matcha bowls are they are so unique, and I love the details. And got another matcha bowl. Babe, look, I got another matcha bowl. Thank you, Tizumi Tea, for sending me all of this. I cannot wait to try your matchas. It's perfect since I'm running low on my matcha and I need some high quality matcha in my system. I think I'm going to make a video on my different matcha recipes, like honey lavender and then coconut lavender and then probably a brown sugar matcha, as well as just a regular matcha. Dinner is cooked and served. We have New York strip steak tonight with some rice and kale cabbage. We're gonna use the organic steak sauce that we got from Whole Foods and watch South Park. Boba! You over here trying to steal our food again. Can I give her a piece?
No.
Why? But this girl deserves a piece. Look at her. Give me the, are you gonna start South Park? You didn't get your own knife. Boba, wait. Wait, Boba.
No, you can't have.
Mmm. Derek and I are currently at the gym. I'm gonna work out a little bit, but first I need to come to the bathroom and get pumped up a little bit. Workout ready.
I hope your father will like me, cause I know his expectations high. And somewhere in adolescence I told you to stay away from boys like me who write songs about you. And it feels wrong without you. And so hey now baby, what's the problem?
heater. Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday. It's not morning, it's 1 o'clock. We woke up and I just kept going back to sleep and now it's almost 1 o'clock. Good morning, YouTube. It is Sunday and it's snowing. Babe, it's snowing. Like right now. What? And it's 12. Oh, it's 12. It's not 1. It's 12. It's a good afternoon, I guess. She loves me more than you.
Oh, come on.
We have one package to open. It is currently 8:19, which is a lot later than the last video I recorded. Throughout the day, I didn't really do much. We went to Costco to get some butter and milk. So my boyfriend, he put this in the oven and we're making ribs. It's been in here for, I would say like an hour and a half already. It still needs a lot more time before it actually is done. But yeah, I don't really have much for this weekend vlog anymore. I would say the best part is going to jungle gyms and experiencing what it's like to be in a giant international market that sells almost everything, like anything that you can imagine. We're gonna cook that ostrich egg in a different video, but we need to research and make sure that what we're doing is right so we don't waste the ostrich egg. The egg's huge though. One ostrich egg is equivalent to 24 regular eggs. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this weekend's vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I do pour a lot into editing a video and putting it out there. I feel like I am slowly getting used to talking to the camera, especially by myself, maybe a little bit in public. It's still a bit scary for me to whip out my camera and speak to it, especially if it's amongst strangers or people that I don't know. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that big red button below. Give this video a thumbs up and we will see you guys in the next video. Mwah.